In order to save on your electricity bill, don't you usually do all your laundry at once? You can stop worrying about your bill with LG's Smart Inverter Motor. While conventional washing machines run at maximum power of more than 104 watt-hours, the Smart Inverter flexibly adjusts energy usage for only 67 watt-hours. That's less than what you would need to iron a shirt or boil 1 liter of water, which saves 36% power consumption compared to conventional washing machines. Don't wait until the laundry piles up. Wash it right away.